take me home. I got all I need right here. Soaking up the sound, gonna wash it all away. Rain and glitter down on us tonight, covered in solid magic. Never even seen that star so bright as the look in your eyes. Rain and glitter down on us tonight. No more hiding in the shadows. Ooh, you look like diamonds in the light. Everybody put your hands up to the sky and let it rain. We can let it rain down silver and gold. We all want the same, yeah, we're looking for that hand to hold. And a stolen kiss that feels so good that it might just change your world. You can call us fools, but these dreams will never get old. Rain and glitter down on us tonight, covered in solid magic. Never even seen that star so bright as the look in your eyes. Rain and glitter down on us tonight. No more hiding in the shadows. Ooh, you look like diamonds in the light. Everybody put your hands up to the sky and let it rain. This is what it's about, never stop. Say my name, hold me tight in the drop. 'Cause we're not, no we're not giving up on love. Rain and glitter down on us tonight, covered in solid magic. Never even seen that star so bright as the look in your eyes. Rain and glitter down on us tonight. No more hiding in the shadows. Ooh, you look like diamonds in the light. Everybody put your hands up to the sky and let it rain.
Hi, the dance is called Raining Glitter, choreographed by Sala and Fowler. It's a 64 count, 2-wall, improve level line dance. There's one restart in the stance. Section 1. Starting with the right foot, walk forward, right, left, right, kick forward, walk back, left, right, coaster cross. Section 2. Vine, side, behind, side, touch, side, together, side, chasse. Section 3. Rocking chair, forward, recover, back, recover, step, pivot curtain to your left, step, pivot curtain to your left. Section 4. Jazz box, cross, back, side, cross. Side rock, recover together, side rock, recover. Section 5. To your right diagonal, 730. Rock forward, recover, shot, fold, half turn to your left. Now you're facing 130. Rock forward, recover, quarter turn to your right, forward, shot, fold. Now you're facing 430. Section 6. Rock forward, recover, shot, fold, half turn to your left. Now you're facing 1030. One is into your left to 9 o'clock. Vine, side, behind, side, point to the side. Section 7. Full turn to your left into side chasse. Quarter, half, quarter turn to your left, side chasse. Cross rock, recover, side chasse. Last section. Jazz box, quarter turn to your left. Cross, quarter turn to your left, back, side. point in, heel in, heel. Clap, clap above your head together and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. In this dance, there's a restart on wall 3. You will dance 16 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 3 with count starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the end of 16 counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.